Your kidneys work harder than you might realize, filtering about 50 gallons of blood every single day. But here's something that might surprise you. When you eliminate sugar from your diet for just 30 days, your kidneys begin to heal in ways that many people over 55 never expected possible. Many people don't realize that their kidneys are silently struggling every day, especially after age 55. These remarkable organs, each about the size of your fist, contain over 1 million tiny filters called nephrons. When sugar floods your bloodstream regularly, it forces your kidneys to work overtime, much like asking an older car engine to run at maximum speed all day long. The concerning truth is that once these filters become damaged, they cannot repair themselves. What makes this even more worrying is that you won't feel any symptoms until about 70% of your kidney function is already compromised. By that time, much of the damage has already become permanent. Have you ever wondered why some people maintain excellent health well into their 70s and 80s, while others struggle with multiple health issues? What if there's one simple dietary change that could protect your kidneys before problems develop? Could eliminating sugar for 30 days actually reverse some of the damage that has already occurred? Stay with me until the end to discover the answers to these important questions that could significantly impact your health in this crucial stage of life. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss valuable health information. Let us know in the comments which part of the world you're watching from. We love connecting with our viewers. Sugar affects your kidneys in ways that are both immediate and long-lasting. Think of your kidneys as the body's sophisticated filtration system, similar to the water filter in your home, but infinitely more complex. When you consume sugar, your blood glucose levels rise rapidly, forcing your kidneys to filter this excess sugar out of your bloodstream. This process, called hyperfiltration, makes your kidney filters work much harder than they were designed to handle on a regular basis. Over time, this constant pressure damages the delicate filtering structures. Additionally, high sugar intake leads to the formation of harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, which cause inflammation and scarring in kidney tissues. These compounds accelerate aging in your kidneys, much like rust slowly damaging metal pipes. Research from major medical institutions has consistently shown that people who consume high amounts of added sugar face significantly higher risks of developing kidney disease, even when they feel perfectly healthy. The good news is that your kidneys have a remarkable ability to begin healing when you remove the source of this stress. Benefit number 1. Your kidneys immediately reduce their workload and begin to recover. Within the first 24 to 48 hours of eliminating sugar, your kidneys experience immediate relief from the constant pressure of hyperfiltration. Think of this like finally allowing an overworked employee to take a much-needed break. Your kidney filters, which have been working overtime, can now operate at their normal, healthy pace. This reduction in workload allows the kidneys to begin repairing minor damage that may have occurred. Studies conducted at leading medical centers have found that people who eliminate added sugars show measurable improvements in kidney function markers within just 1 week. The filtering units in your kidneys, called glomeruli, start to function more efficiently when they're not constantly bombarded with excess glucose. Additionally, the reduction in sugar consumption decreases the production of those harmful compounds we mentioned earlier, giving your kidney tissues a chance to heal from inflammation. For people over 55, this benefit is particularly important because kidney function naturally declines with age, making it crucial to remove any additional stresses. When you stop consuming sugar, your kidneys can function optimally, allowing your entire body to benefit from a healthier filtration process. As your kidneys continue to recover, you may start to feel better overall, with fewer signs of fatigue or sluggishness. Improved kidney function also means better toxin removal from your body, which enhances your energy levels. Over time, as the kidneys recover, you may also see improvements in your skin's appearance, reflecting the positive effects of better detoxification. By giving your kidneys the break they need, you're allowing them to regain their full potential, preventing further complications related to poor kidney function. Benefit number 2. Your blood pressure improves, reducing strain on kidney blood vessels. High blood pressure and kidney health are closely connected, like two gears in a machine that affect each other's performance. When you eliminate sugar, your insulin levels naturally decrease, which has a direct impact on blood pressure. Lower insulin levels signal your kidneys to release excess sodium and water that may have been retained in your system. This natural reduction in fluid volume helps lower your blood pressure within 2 to 3 weeks. For people in their 50s and 60s and beyond, this is particularly beneficial because blood pressure tends to increase with age. When blood pressure decreases, the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys experience less stress and can function more effectively. Research from cardiovascular health studies shows that even modest reductions in blood pressure can significantly protect kidney function over time. The improved blood flow to your kidneys also enhances their ability to filter waste products and maintain proper fluid balance in your body. As blood pressure stabilizes, the overall workload on your kidneys reduces, allowing them to focus on maintaining other vital processes in your body. The decrease in strain on the kidney blood vessels also prevents damage to the nephrons, which are essential for the filtration process. Consistently lowered blood pressure means that the kidneys are no longer overworked by the high fluid retention that comes with hypertension. This benefit can lead to long-term improvements in kidney health and lower the risk of developing kidney disease. The ability of your kidneys to filter efficiently without the added pressure from high blood pressure allows for better nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Benefit number 3. Inflammation throughout your kidneys decreases significantly. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire that gradually damages organs throughout your body, and your kidneys are particularly vulnerable to this process. Sugar consumption triggers inflammatory pathways that can persist for hours after eating. When you eliminate sugar for 30 days, inflammatory markers in your blood begin to decrease within the first week. This reduction in inflammation allows kidney tissues to heal and function more efficiently. C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation that doctors often test, frequently shows improvement in people who eliminate added sugars from their diet. For mature adults, reducing inflammation is especially important because the body's natural anti-inflammatory systems become less efficient with age. The decrease in kidney inflammation also improves the communication between your kidneys and other organs, helping maintain better overall fluid and mineral balance. Many people notice that swelling in their feet and ankles begins to improve during this time, which is often a sign that kidney function is becoming more efficient. As inflammation in the kidneys decreases, the organs are better able to handle the demands placed on them by the body's metabolism and waste products. This also leads to a decrease in fluid retention, which can alleviate discomfort and other symptoms associated with kidney strain. Long-term reductions in kidney inflammation can prevent the development of chronic kidney conditions such as kidney stones or even kidney failure. Additionally, as the inflammation decreases, the kidneys are more effective in maintaining the balance of electrolytes, which is crucial for overall health and bodily functions. Reducing kidney inflammation not only enhances the organ's efficiency, but also plays a role in improving overall cardiovascular health. Benefit number 4, your risk of developing kidney stones decreases substantially. Kidney stones are one of the most painful conditions that can affect the urinary system, and unfortunately, they become more common as we age. Sugar consumption, particularly from beverages and processed foods, increases the amount of calcium that your kidneys excrete in your urine. This excess calcium can combine with other minerals to form stones. When you eliminate sugar, your kidneys excrete less calcium, reducing the building blocks that stones need to form. Additionally, sugar reduction often leads to increased water intake, which helps dilute your urine and prevent minerals from concentrating enough to form stones. Medical studies have shown that people who maintain low sugar diets have significantly lower rates of kidney stone formation. For people over 55, this prevention is particularly valuable because kidney stones can be more dangerous and harder to treat as we age. The improved mineral balance that occurs when you eliminate sugar also helps maintain stronger bones, since your body isn't losing excessive calcium through your urine. Furthermore, by limiting sugar intake, you also help regulate the acidity of your urine, which can further prevent the formation of stones. This holistic approach to kidney health can help ensure a more comfortable and less risky aging process. In the long run, this simple dietary change can have a profound impact on reducing your risk of kidney-related issues. Benefit number 5. Protein leakage from your kidneys often improves dramatically. One of the earliest signs of kidney damage is the presence of protein in your urine, something that healthy kidneys should prevent. Think of your kidney filters as extremely fine screens that should keep valuable proteins in your blood, while allowing waste products to pass through. When these filters become damaged by chronic sugar exposure, they develop tiny holes that allow proteins to leak into your urine. Within 2 to 4 weeks of eliminating sugar, many people see improvements in their protein levels when tested by their doctor. This improvement indicates that the kidney filters are healing and becoming more effective at their job. For mature adults, this is particularly encouraging because it suggests that some kidney damage may be reversible with proper dietary changes. The reduction in protein loss also helps maintain better overall nutrition, since your body can keep more of these essential building blocks in your system where they belong. Moreover, reducing sugar intake not only helps preserve your kidneys, but also protects against other complications related to protein loss, such as muscle wasting. By eliminating sugar, you're giving your kidneys the opportunity to function optimally, thus improving your overall well-being. This benefit is especially important for older adults, as they are more prone to kidney issues, making the prevention of protein leakage even more crucial. Benefit number 6. Your body's insulin sensitivity improves, protecting against diabetes-related kidney damage. Insulin resistance, which often develops gradually as we age, puts tremendous stress on your kidneys over time. When your body struggles to use insulin effectively, blood sugar levels remain elevated for longer periods, forcing your kidneys to work harder to filter out the excess glucose. Eliminating sugar for 30 days allows your body's insulin sensitivity to improve significantly. This means your cells become better at using glucose for energy, keeping blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day. Improved insulin sensitivity also reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which is the leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. For people over 55, improving insulin sensitivity becomes increasingly important because the risk of diabetes rises with age. Better insulin function also helps maintain healthy blood vessel function throughout your body, including the thousands of tiny blood vessels in your kidneys that are essential for proper filtration. As insulin sensitivity improves, the kidneys can better handle fluctuations in sugar, thereby reducing the workload on these vital organs. Additionally, improving insulin function enhances overall metabolic health, which has a cascading effect on various bodily systems, further protecting your kidneys. This benefit serves as a proactive measure against the long-term consequences of poor insulin management, which can have devastating effects on kidney health. Benefit number 7. Your energy levels often improve as your kidneys function more efficiently. Many people don't realize that kidney function directly affects their energy levels and overall sense of well-being. When your kidneys are working efficiently, they help maintain proper fluid balance, remove waste products effectively, and produce hormones that support red blood cell production. As kidney function improves during your 30-day sugar elimination, many people notice that they feel less tired and more mentally alert. This improvement occurs because your kidneys are better able to maintain the delicate chemical balance that your body needs to function optimally. For mature adults, this energy improvement can be particularly noticeable and welcome. Better kidney function also supports better sleep quality, since your body doesn't have to work as hard during the night to process waste products and maintain proper fluid balance. To successfully eliminate sugar for 30 days and support your kidney health, start by reading ingredient labels carefully and avoiding obvious sources of added sugar like sodas, candy, desserts, and sweetened beverages. Focus on eating whole foods like fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats that naturally support kidney function. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal teas, or water infused with fresh lemon or cucumber. Gradually reduce your sugar intake over the first few days if you're concerned about withdrawal symptoms like headaches or fatigue, which typically last only 2 to 3 days. Plan your meals ahead of time and keep healthy snacks readily available to avoid reaching for sugary convenience foods when you're hungry. Many people find it helpful to clean out their pantry and refrigerator before starting, removing tempting items that contain added sugars. Consider working with a family member or friend who can support your efforts and perhaps join you in this health-improving challenge. During the 30 days, focus on staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, which supports healthy kidney function. If you take medications for blood pressure or diabetes, monitor your levels carefully as they may improve, and discuss any changes with your healthcare provider. While eliminating sugar is generally safe and beneficial for most people, it's important to be aware of a few considerations. If you take medications for diabetes or blood pressure, your levels may improve during this time, so work closely with your healthcare provider to monitor and potentially adjust your medications if needed. Some people experience temporary symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or mood changes during the first few days, but these typically resolve quickly as your body adjusts. If you have a history of eating disorders, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. People with advanced kidney disease should work with their doctor or a dietitian to ensure that dietary changes are appropriate for their specific condition. Thank you for taking the time to learn about how eliminating sugar can benefit your kidney health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family members who might benefit from this knowledge. We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below, especially if you decide to try the 30-day sugar elimination challenge. You'll notice we have 2 videos on the screen now that continue with more helpful health information. I'm confident you'll enjoy learning more about taking care of your health at this important stage of life. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember that it's never too late to make positive changes for your health.